Hi, my name is Dirk from SmartSync Solutions in Germany. We are here at the ISE in Barcelona. And let me just show you our new product, which is called sDock Flex. The idea behind that is we want only one mount for all tablets with USB-C ports. And the idea behind that is you actually have a magnetic ring behind. Let me just show you. You have a magnetic ring on the back of the tablet, and then you're gonna just stick the tablet onto the mount and connect it with the USB-C plug. It's rotatable by 90 degrees. It's so far only a concept and a prototype, but the demand seems to be quite strong, and so we're gonna probably bring it out by end of this year. So for more information, please follow www.smart-things.com. Thank you very much.